This isn't just a dash cam. It's a body cam and an in-car surveillance cam all in one compact device. Today, we are installing the Type S 4K minicam. You'll find the 4K minicam, a mounting bracket, a windshield mount connected to the 12-volt power adapter, and an optional adhesive film. The camera also comes with a 32GB memory card pre-installed, so it's ready to use right out of the box. If you need more space, it supports up to 256GB, perfect for longer trips or extended body cam use. Before installing, plug in the camera using the 12-volt adapter or a power bank to get familiar with the interface and verify everything works. Next, clean the inside of your windshield using a microfiber cloth to ensure the adhesive holds firmly. Remove the protective films from the camera lens and screen. Insert the camera into the mounting bracket, push it in until you hear a click. Then attach the bracket onto the windshield mount. Once everything is assembled, peel off the red backing from the 3M adhesive on the mount. Stick the entire assembly onto the center of your windshield, just behind the rearview mirror. Press firmly to secure it. Next, route the power cable. Tuck it into the headliner, guide it down the A-pillar on the passenger side, and run it toward the center console. Plug it into the 12-volt outlet. On the side of the camera, make sure the toggle is set to dash cam mode. Once powered, the camera automatically begins loop recording. That means older files will be overwritten once the memory card fills up, so you'll always have the most recent footage saved. You can also rotate the camera inward to monitor your cabin. It's great for added security or rideshare use, and performs well even at night. Sometimes, after an accident or during a traffic stop, you may need to step out of your car to talk to someone. In those moments, you still want to keep recording, and that's where the body cam feature comes in handy. To use the camera as a body cam, unplug it from power and flip the side switch to body cam. Make sure to do this within 30 seconds, otherwise the camera will shut off to conserve battery. Clip the camera onto your shirt, jacket, or backpack strap. The built-in stabilizer keeps your footage smooth, even while walking or moving around. In body cam mode, you must manually press the record button to begin recording. Press once to start, and again to pause. Battery life is up to about 1 hour, and turning off Wi-Fi in the settings can help it last a little longer. In body cam mode, recordings do not loop, so be sure to manage your storage as needed. When you're finished, just plug it back into your vehicle and switch back to dash cam mode. It'll resume loop recording automatically. The Type S 4K minicam features built-in voice control, so you can stay hands-free while driving. Just say, "Okay, Mini," then use these simple commands. Save video, saves the current clip to your events folder. Record audio, unmutes the microphone. Stop audio, mutes the microphone. Screensaver, turns the screen off. Monitor on, turns the screen back on. Take a photo, snaps a quick photo. Voice control works only in dash cam mode, when the camera is powered through the included windshield mount. You don't need to connect to the app for the camera to work. Connecting to the app is only needed if you want to wirelessly access videos, adjust settings, or use the live view. And it only works at close range, not through home Wi-Fi or remote access. To connect, download the Type S Drive app on your phone. If you have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll need to temporarily disconnect it. It can interfere with the connection. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the camera's network using password 12345678. Once connected, open the Type S Drive app and select Minicam from the device list. The Type S minicam supports both touchscreen and button controls. To open the menu, simply swipe down on the screen or press the button located on top of the camera. From the menu, you can adjust settings like recording resolution, turn audio recording on or off, turn Wi-Fi on or off, and access additional features such as slow motion recording and more. To view videos directly on the camera, simply swipe up on the screen to open the gallery. For more features and setup details, refer to your user manual included in the box. Whether you're driving, parked, or on foot, the Type S 4K Mini Dash and Body Cam gives you flexible, reliable coverage wherever you go. For more support or accessories, visit typesauto.com or leave your questions in the comments below.